Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to change WhatsApp language without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial on how best to use WhatsApp. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here to open my WhatsApp, just like so. Having opened up your WhatsApp, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here. Click on these three dots at the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to settings. Then it's going to take you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and then where you see app language, click on that. Just like so, you have multiple language. You can simply scroll down and choose any other language or that you understand. Scroll down and see more language as the case may be. Now, for you to change to any other language that you understand, what you need to do, let's for instance, I want to change to Hausa language. I will simply click on Hausa right here. So once I click on that, then the language is going to change automatically. As you can see right here, all the language here have successfully changed into Hausa language. If I want to switch back to my English language, then I will simply come back here, click on here. Then I can go back to my default language, which is English language. In a few seconds, everything comes back to English language. So basically, this is how to change your WhatsApp inbuilt language without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.